However, how did we reach the figure of 1 million people with heart failure? The world over, the prevalence of heart failure is 2%. Let us believe in India is half at 1%, and we have 950 million adults. So by that logic, we'll have 9.5 million people with heart failure. That is as simple. However, the issue is that UK Biobank prospective cohort study published last year showed that South Asians, which actually is a euphemism for Indians, are at 83% higher risk of developing heart failure than European population. And if that logic is applied, that data is applied to Indian population, we are likely to see much higher number of patients with heart failure. In fact, it has been suggested that if clinically detectable heart failure is in 1 to 2% of general population, echo-detected heart failure probably occurs in 4% of the population, and hence we might be having as many as 40 million individuals with heart failure. The other important thing is that annual incidence of heart failure in our population is relatively unknown, but extrapolating the data from the rest of the world, it would appear that the annual incidence is 0.3%, and that means we are adding 3 million people of heart failure every year. If you look at the heart failure types, whether you are talking about heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, heart failure with mildly reduced ejection fraction, heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, this population-based data, including 5 different populations, suggests that the incidence of heart failure per year is 0.5%. It is topped by heart failure with reduced ejection fraction, as shown in red lines, followed by heart failure with preserved ejection fraction, as shown by dark black line over a period of 12 years.